Sino
Alpha
color
yung may
nito?
shield.
Dandy. Si Jaxi sa Summers. Napunta na rin natin.
Yeah.
Baka ma-2v1 tayo.
Sino tong Hero Ishida?
That naka-stalker na lang ako na.
Surgeons ba to?
Ayun.
No, I don't think so.
Rat collar na naka-cut.
Don't.
Spy bro, spy. Mahal ikaw, oy, agent
Yo,
for
wake
mid,
up,
no
wake
way,
up,
bro.
wake up. Zone.
Don't boys. Fight's coming.
T9 spy, so Gucci. Wow.
Fight's about to start boys ha?
Oh, Marlika.
Ask Mugi to wait.
No. I fight.
Bro, what the fuck? No siphon in the guild.
GG, that cute. Dimas, this
Chillax.
Pinalala.
They have... They have B-Shaper ba?
It's okay, it's Maka.
It's not Mugi. Summers is the
Touch
trend.
nyo na to boy oh. May Incubus sila, keep Incubus Demon Arm.
Come southeast. I need scout northeast ha pag pumasok ng Summers nito mapat.
Second collar.
Ano to? Pag FF ba to? Hindi. City AFF.
One dice on Dandy engage ha? Unless you're stupid. Be careful of Shaper. Everyone is one. Good check also.
Puta wala akong ano.
Now,
Nandito pa lang second collar na, okay pa.
Okay lang. Sige lang. It's fine. Dembi.
Yo, smash the gate.
Smash. They're coming na. Wake up. Spread more. Keep giving me guard shot.
Carefully Shaper guys, okay? I already called earlier. There's a
Ito
new
yung
Shaper.
kupal.
Wala na yun,
Guys. Ito yung kupal na nag-deny sa atin ako nagkahapon. Shallow me in 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. Oh my god.
DPS, what the fuck?
Bro, guys.
Ay, nag-cleric cowl. Kalma ka lang.
Wake up first. 15 seconds.
Yung shaper nila, hindi ko makita.
Ready guys. Spread. Shaper coming. Defensive front.
Shaper charging.
Shaper charging. Spread. Heal front. That fallen, give it to me. Not to
Shaper,
the-
yan. Shaper.
Shaper coming. I called that out. Nice. Everything. Guys, fake now. Yeah. Oh. Just wait. Nice hit.
I can kill him.
Almost.
Wait lang pa, heal sa front. please.
Ready counter as they engage. Just keep bumping.
Garun
Ready
the front,
counter,
please.
stay.
Cycle Garun.
Guards. I'm gonna pull guards. I'm gonna pull guards. Guys, come.
Oh, it's
Naka-mushroom
Guys,
ka,
come.
Liga.
Don't stun the guards. Guys, stop me. 3,
Sige.
2, 1. Everything in the guards. Guards. No, go back a bit.
Stepping out,
Nami,
stepping
please.
out.
Thank you.
Jay.
Kill the front.
Heal front, what the fuck?
Heal front, healers, hello? Come in. 5 seconds, you have the gate. Fred, Shaper, what Shaper ha?
Shaper charging.
Shaper charging. Nakita nyo tong gun core,
Shaper
guys?
charging.
That guy, be careful.
Ah,
Shaper coming.
yan na.
Shaper?
No one dies. Guys, on the gate now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On Dandy. Kill him. Nice, defensive front.
Na Jay.
Pahil sa ano,
Ayan
bawking.
na mga guard. DPS guards. Use NWs, DPS.
Kill the
front.
blitz, kill
Oh
the
my god.
blitz.
Keep on
They're healers, man.
Healers, guys. Look at front. Spread board. You guys can walk to northeast. You guys can go northeast gate.
Walang
This is
tao
color
dito
now.
eh.
Ready. Keep bonking.
Shaper charging.
Shaper
West
charging
side.
now. Fine.
Gate.
Nice. Ready to defend this front. Shaper. Shaper boys. Shaper. Okay, just keep bonking. We play counter. Spread more. Wait for them to look. Spread more. Be careful
Summer
of the
Scout
baka.
Northeast okay.
Copy, stepping out.
Dito ko
Nandiyan
sa
na
ano
numbers?
ha, sa southeast.
Hindi,
Scout pa lang.
Scout lang.
Ready guys. Walk. Hold them, boys. Hold them. Everything on the gate, guys. Ready, hold. Come. Southwest, on the gate now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on the gate. Kill that.
Keep Summers outside. Keep Summers outside.
Charging.
Scout ha. GA, Summer Scout. Summer Scout.
Bandita
Summer
ang
Scout.
outside.
I'm looking.
Summer scout lang, summer scout lang.
Careful,
Scout
careful.
lang,
careful.
scout.
Shaper, shaper.
In front, please.
Hold here, hold
Oh my gosh.
hold here. Come southeast now. Everyone come southeast, come southeast, come southeast.
Keep, andito na daw si Mookie, northeast.
Come southeast, come southeast, come
Okay,
southeast,
Keep,
come
keep,
southeast,
di na si Mookie.
Come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come
Keep
southeast.
toad.
Come southeast, come southeast. Mount up, mount up, mount up, mount up.
Say, Grace, can you pass me Patilit? I can mark my key.
Ay, sorry.
Donsong died. Donsong AFK died.
Ano naman? Come southwest, come southwest. What the fuck is wrong with these people? Guys, enemy is here and you're looting. Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. We're gonna get 2v1.
Solid yung zerg natin, boy.
Man! Toad, how did you die?
Toad,
AFK, DC.
Toad
You say
is
okay.
on the,
I think
on the
he's-
stairs.
No, he just killed someone.
DC,
He just
DC,
killed
DC.
someone and then he died.
He's AFK. I don't know why.
Just hold, just hold. Wait for Summers. I need to see Summers' full number.
Northeast ba sila?
Scout ko northeast.
Uy, ba't kayo lumalayo?
Stop following the bomb squad, please, guys. Stop following the bomb squad, hello?
Man, yung crown yung sundan nyo, wag yung bomb squad. Hello?
Nakamark na yung bomb squad sa kanila eh.
Where's Summers?
Yan na, blab na.
Third
Summer
is-
zone.
Yeah, yeah,
Summer
yeah.
zone.
Dyan sila
Summers side
northeast.
How big is Summers? How big is Summers?
Checking. No DA pa, no
Sige,
DA.
wala pa. Kasi kakazone lang.
17 DA, 17 DA.
17 D. Bro, yung tibig.
No ban. Can you mark?
Level 14 tayo.
Just hold. Come northwest more. Come northwest.
Maha going out of the castle.
Yeah. Come northwest more. Come northwest.
Maharan.
Yeah. Just hold here. I'm talking to Jaxi. This shit.
And they go out of the castle.
Okay, come southeast.
Paano ba to, Giga?
May infernal sight sila, ha?
Tayo lang.
Balik kayo.
It's fine.
Balik kami dyan, Keep.
Don't worry.
Clap
Baka
down.
is inching toward us here.
Yeah. Just come. Regroup with me. If Maha dismounts on us, we wipe them. Come.
May flank tank ka na. Flank
Come to
tank.
castle. Everyone come castle. Come castle.
Dismounted, ah.
Yeah. Chill. Come.
But
Come
I think
southeast.
we'll be in the middle. Maka is on the
No,
Ay,
we're
brim bomb,
taking
brim bomb,
defensives.
brim
We're
bomb.
taking
They
the
have brim
defensives.
bomb.
We're taking defensive castle. Come in.
Keep, they have brim bomb, okay?
Yeah. We're taking castle. Come in. We take castle. Come in. Everyone come in. We take castle. Everyone come in. Just bonk fast. We take castle.
Yung Summers yung may bring. Honey.
Yes.
Bad
Ilan
siya
yung brim na?
bad siya yung...
Ilan brim na
Isa
nani?
lang nakita ko 8. Isa lang nakita ko 8. Baka dalawa.
Okay, come.
Patay ba ako doon?
Full guards.
Tayo na ba?
Hindi wala damage.
Full guards. Guys, on top me. 3, 2, 1, everything guards. Bring the other guards northeast. Sa Lord Room na. Everyone, bring them Lord Room. D-tanks, guys, be ready, okay? Hi,
No
guys.
ban. Can you mark Jaxi here?
Mark Jackson movie, okay? Be ready.
I think Jaxi is
Oh
the
my
main
God,
caller
stop.
today.
Guys, may DPS! Come, on top me. 3, 2, 1, just drop. Kill the guards, please. Man! Can you guys stop moving too much? Killer now.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Good luck. Do your best. Killer.
Naban. Diyan. Can I get
Toad Rigger, bro.
Toad, where are you? I think Toad is
Mr. Sid, where are you, man?
I'm in Driftwood Vale. I'm running. Right.
Oh my god, it's Chris hugs you again. Just flip. Come southeast. Everyone come southeast. Fight's gonna start as soon as we end. We bomb this. Come southeast. One guy flip. Ready. Everyone ready.
May 100 kayo tayo.
They're just outside.
Yakshot.
Ready. Wake up. Fight starting. Fight starts now.
Keep, FFA daw ba?
No. FF to. But yeah, FFA. Bahala sila.
Gate 70%.
Yeah, shallow on me. 3, 2, 1. Just shallow, just shallow, just shallow, just shallow, just shallow, just shallow. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Ready counter, ready counter, ready counter. Ready counter. Hold. This hold, this hold in chill, this hold in chill, this hold in chill. Let them monk.
Gate
let them monk.
40%.
Okay, let them monk. Come in, come in. Everyone come in, come in. Spread.
30%.
Come in, spread. Just hold, just hold, just hold.
Yes,
Spread,
yes.
spread, 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 spread. Catch 2 engages. We need to survive 1 engage, okay? They have 1 engage.
Brim,
one.
brim, brim, brim. Brim, 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 brim.
Brim coming, brim coming, brim coming.
Nice, good kills.
Just wait, just wait, just wait, just wait, wait. Spread more, spread more. Spread, spread, spread. Gitang's up front, Gitang's up front. Guard
Hey,
front.
yeah, climb, man, Kaipo.
Okay, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Just spread. Guys, spread more southwest. Can
No
we give
marinig
this
ah.
spread?
No marinig,
You
no
guys wanna
marinig.
get- Ha?
Naginig na.
Okay, just chill. Wait for them. We play counter, we play counter, we play counter. We play counter. Just chill. Everyone just chill. Just chill, just chill, just chill.
East side yung brim. East side.
Okay, just chill, just chill, just chill and spread. Chill and spread, chill and spread, chill and spread. As long as you guys spread.
Rune.
Guardians front, please. Okay, just chill. May DPS, go away, get away, get away. When I'm not hitting, I'm not doing anything, just hide, just hide. When I'm about to hit, you guys can walk. Just hide. Ang lapit
Samahan
ka
na
sa
kita
harap.
dito sa
Tapos
southwest.
magtatanong kayo, why did I
Nandun sila
die?
lahat eh.
Just hide. Wait for them to engage, wait for them to engage. They wanna push in, they wanna push in. Hold.
Brim, 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 brim.
Bring down, bring down.
Left. Alright, nice, good left.
Guys, when
Isa
Brim
lang?
is dropped on you, drop guard runes.
Yeah,
And you
inching,
know,
they're inching, they're inching.
They're reaching. Ready, spread. I told you guys, spread. Spread, 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 spread only, spread only, spread only, spread only. Spread only, spread only. Let them be, let them be, let them be, let them be, let them be. Just be patient, just be patient. Just spread. Just spread and run away from each other, okay? Spread.
They use GA, they know GA, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Brim east side.
Hold. Yeah, they're gonna walk in as soon as I engage, ha? Okay? They wanna counter, I'm gonna counter as well. Spread more. Guys, southeast now. Everyone, southeast. Southeast now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything engage. Gate. Spread. Everyone spread.
They're
Spread,
pushing, they
spread,
full push,
spread.
they
They're
full
gonna
push.
push.
You
They're
gotta
gonna
get.
push, they're gonna push, they're gonna push, they're gonna push.
Alright, we
Spread,
stop them, we
spread,
stop
boys.
them.
Spread. Defenses. Nice. Hold them now. Hold the ones on top of you.
Holding.
Hold the ones on top of
Brim,
you.
brim, brim again. Brim again.
Okay. Ready. Guard runes. Guys, on top of me now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me.
Good kill.
Kill.
Full hill front, please.
Spread now. Spread, boys. Spread. Just spread.
QWD tanks inside you guys.
QW, guys, spread. You guys can kidnap the D-tanks. The DPS. Just kidnap that guy. It's fine. See, it's not hard. Ready, spread. Just keep spreading. Just hold the front. Don't let them walk in. Okay? Just spread. It's not hard, guys. Hold. Spread more.
Yes.
Yo, enemy hodge looking.
Yeah.
Just trying to engage,
Just spread. Be careful. Where's Smoky? Guard runes front.
He's southeast of gate.
Be careful, guys, he's gonna engage in the back, okay? Guys, ready, shallow, southeast down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southeast. Then go back, everyone go back. Spread, guys. Spread, they're walking in,
Looking now. Is Smokey looking now?
Spread, ready, gig back, ready, gig back, spread, defensive now, oh my god, come southeast, ready, come, walk in to them, fake now, boys, fake now, deep, southwest, boys, everyone southwest now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southwest, wipe this southwest,
Good shit.
okay, come inside, come inside.
Five kami sa net, five kami sa net,
Just
five kami sa net.
spread, come inside. Just spread, ready defense ka. Spread more, cleanses front.
Sir, galing yun.
Spread. Heal your knee.
Hey, east wall is big.
Ready
East wall
guys,
is big,
get
Kaipo.
out, everyone get out. Get out,
I'm
fake
holding the stairs,
now.
ah.
Ready northeast guys, ready. Hold. Northeast now guys, northeast deep. Guys, come in northeast now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast. Wipe that.
Nice. Good kill.
Spread. No, you
Holding
spread.
them again.
You spread, boys.
Heal the front, don't run.
Heal front, you spread. Heal front and spread. You're good. Spread.
Gate is 80%. Gate is 80%.
Okay, it's fine. Just spread. They're gonna walk in soon. What are they doing?
Gate is 50%.
Okay, spread. Just chill. Everyone just chill. Wait for the thing. Hold. Where's my riggers?
Gate is 38.
Did you die, Giang?
No, I'm here. I'm next to you.
Yeah. Shallow now, everyone, shallow. Shallow on gate. Fake now. Hold. Shallow on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. Go back. Everyone go back.
Gate should be broken soon. Yeah, broken.
Spread.
Hold.
Hold them. Just hold them. Just hold
Anji.
them. Just hold them.
Brim, 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 brim.
Just hold them. Just
Brim,
hold them
brim,
and run. Just hold them and run. Hold them and run. Hold them and run. Everyone come southeast.
Left,
Come
left,
southeast.
left,
Everyone come southeast. Come. Give back southeast. Come southeast. Guys, deep. Guys, fake now. I need fakes. Southeast, deep. Southeast on the stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast on me. Oh, what's that?
Nice
shit. Good shit.
Nice. Nice spread.
Hill front, hill
Guys,
front.
bully
Muki ceiling.
Spread more, guys. Spread more, get away. Just hide. Boys, hide, please. Hide.
They're looking at
nice, GA.
careful.
Nice fucking GA. Spread more.
I'm inside if you guys want heal.
Guys, heal. Ready, southeast. Come. Walk in.
Yo, guys.
Stay miss. They heard miss. Fix
Careful,
now.
just hit inside you.
Okay,
There's still up engage, Aki pa ah. There's
Ayan,
still up
I'm
engage.
trying dito sa front.
Okay,
All
guys,
defensive
ready,
ba?
yan,
Okay.
Hold. Just spread. Bill, use time. Can you guys, everyone, stop following the bomb squad, guys.
Heal.
Stop following the bomb squad. Stop following the bomb squad. Everyone, regroup.
Can you bro?
Just chill. Okay? Ready? Fake southeast, then shallow ah. Ready, shallow. Shallow lang. Ready? Fake southeast. Shallow southeast, guys. Follow southwest. On this infinity. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow nas. Then go back. Everyone go back.
Full push. They full push.
Yeah, they're full pushing. Just run and hide. Run and hide, boys. Run and hide.
Yeah, we stop them. Careful.
They're looking at northeast ha. Careful northeast. They engage already. Keep it. They're rich already.
Walk out.
Can he just shut up? We are
They have no
trying
engage, guys. They
here.
have no engage.
10 seconds safe. Guys, come southeast. Everyone come southeast, guys. Southeast now. Southeast on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast on me. Nice hit. Then go back and spread. Spread. You guys can go northeast. You guys can go southwest. Just spread and heal front. Just spread and heal front.
Heal, keep.
Heal front.
Spread me. Okay, nice. Get in and run. Okay. Ready, shallow, guys. We're gonna engage on the D-tanks on top ba. Okay? Shallow lang, guys. Ready. Go deep southeast, guys. Shallow D-tanks. Guys, come in. Walk out.
Tangay naman, hindi mo
Southeast now. Ready.
Bobo
Southeast
nila,
on the
guys.
D-tanks in 5, 4,
Brim.
3, 2, 1. Southeast on me. Southeast. Sa D-tanks lang, guys. Peace. Nice, spread.
I need help.
Spread.
Oh, man.
Get on,
Thank you.
Gano'n sila kalaki? Ba't parang dami nila?
They're looking ha. They're looking deep.
Okay,
Keep.
spread.
They're looking
Ready.
deep. They're looking.
Yeah, I know, they're looking. Just spread.
Ang defense.
Roll that. Get heals. We're gonna engage on the D-tanks
Lapit
again.
dito
Ready. Guys, on the D-tanks. Shallow, guys. D-tanks lang. Southwest.
Wait.
Southwest, ha. Hold. Shallow southwest. Southwest lang. 5, 4, 3, 2, just D-tanks, boys. Nice.
Nice hit.
Good shit.
Moki dead.
Hindi pa dito.
Ready, spread. They're walking. Defensive boys. Ready, defensive. Nice, GA. Go back. Just run.
Just run.
Careful, you're fire, careful.
Huh? What?
Brim.
You're fire. You're fire.
Dito
Guys,
they're
guys,
breaking
just
the
hold,
wall.
just hold.
The-
My DPS, go deep. Defensive. Oh my god, guys, come southeast. Everyone walk in. Walk in.
Stop sleeping, guys. They haven't engaged yet.
Guys, ready, northwest, guys. Northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest. Shallow. Go back. Kill the shallow. Then go back. Very good, fast. Come. Guys, can you guys get away from here? Stop clumping up like idiots, bro. Fast.
Four people died.
Trigger fast. Because you're all clumping up like idiots, bro.
Stop
Wait,
sleeping,
wala ba ako
guys. Stop
defense?
sleeping.
I can't.
Spread more. I need my riggers.
Hello, heal.
Healers front, guys. Let's chill. Shallow on the gate. Ready. Defense is front. Shallow, guys. Southeast now. On top of me. Guys, after this, just hold. Fake. Shallow, ready. Southeast now.
Brim.
Oh my god.
Careful.
Guys, southeast now. After this, southeast now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast on me. Damage on me.
Damage.
They don't have it.
Malapit na ako ulit hit. Madura.
They're looking.
Buy time. Keep.
Spread.
It's a fake.
Buy time, please.
Buy time. I'm just buying time for riggers.
I'm forest now.
Abot kayo dyan sa gate Huwag kayong
Gate is 50%.
It's fine. Shallow on the shallow, guys. Ready. Shallow lang. On the gate. After the night armor, ha? After the night armor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the gate. Gate. Boys, gate. my god. Spread. Get away.
No-engage pa sila, Kip, no-engage
Toad.
pa sila. May negate yan silang dito.
Toad, go back.
Toad,
Kill
move.
Toad.
God, what the...
Toad, just kill it.
Eka.
Toad. If you're lagging, just go in.
Okay.
Toad, just if you're lagging, just go in. Spread. Toad, just go in. Just go from inside, okay? Ready, again, shallow, on the D-tanks, guys. Pull downs. Guys, on the
Ready,
gate lang,
ready.
on the gate now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the gate lang. Sige, mag-drop lang guys sa gate.
Nobody's with you, Kip. Nobody's with you.
No, I know. You guys just need to hit the gate. I'm faking northeast, so you guys can hit the D-tanks on the gate. Is it hard to understand that?
They're in gate.
Yeah. It's fine. Ready, defense. Geek pads walking. Come, southeast. Everyone, southeast. Walk in, southeast. Southeast deep. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southeast. Walk in, southeast. Spread, then you spread. Spread, don't go back, spread. You guys can go southeast and southwest. Just spread. Just spread. Come in. You guys spread. Get heals. You guys can
Maximum
use southwest gate. You guys can use southwest gate. 6
They have engage, yeah, careful, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, try ko siya heal. But why is he going down?
Stop staying over the wall.
Problema niya na yan.
Go back.
I don't know why he went there
Shallow
though.
on the D-tanks in 3, 2, 1. Shallow lang. Please. Then go back. Everyone go back.
Nothing I can do there.
Go southwest gate.
I tried to heal him.
Asan na yearning? Go southwest gate.
Looking.
Yeah. Southwest gate, guys. Spread. Let them get hit by the guys, spread. Come southwest. Guys, alam nyo ba yung southwest gate? Why are you guys inside Lord Room? Man, you guys are so dumb. You can listen to fucking simple instructions. Hold. Spread. You guys can use the southwest gate. By DPS. Spread. Heal front. Heal Erin, please. Heal Erin. Nice. Ready. Hold. I'm just buying time so my bump can engage. Southwest now. Hold. Southwest, then run southwest gate, ha? Southwest now. Hold.
Yeah.
Southwest now. 5, 4,
Ano?
3, 2, 1. Southwest. Hit this.
Binabrol siya. Wait
Go
lang.
southwest gate. Run southwest gate.
They're engaging.
Chill. Everyone just chill. We're holding them.
May healer to sila, so...
Nakatingin sa inyo, Jel,
Double OC. Just chill. Everyone just chill. My riggers are here. Is my riggers here? Okay, good. Good. Ready defensive front. Come southeast. Everyone walk in and fake. Guys, ready. South corners. Everyone south now. Hold, spread. South now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South. Nice spread. You guys can go from southwest gate. You guys can go southwest gate. Oh my god. You guys can spread defensive, geek pads. Now, walk in, brawl, boys. Heals. Give me heals, please. Spread. Come in, guys. Come in. Ready, southeast now. Hold, southeast, come. Guys, walk in,
Hirap ng buhay natin, Giga.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southeast, please. Wait this side. Nice. Spread. You spread. Good shit. Spread, run. Full run, get heals. You're good. You're all good. Guys, spread, just run. Wait for them to engage. Defense is front.
Looking.
Come in, everyone walk in.
In front.
Pinataka natin.
We're low.
Guys, quick counter. Just get heals. Come in, everyone come in. Brawl that guy. Guys, come in.
Grim hit.
Come in, boys. Come in. On top of me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything gate. Then go back.
Keep. You need to punish Northwest. They're getting brawled hard. You need to punish Northwest.
Come southwest. Kill that guy. Come southwest. Let them.
Wait. Don't!
Oh, dami na
Stop!
nalabang. Oh my god, dami na nalabang.
Everyone just kite.
Nice hit.
This kite. Man, you guys are bad. Everyone, guys, ready. Come. Everything on the gate, guys.
They're still bad.
Everything on the gate now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything gate. Guys, come in. Everyone come in again. Man.
They're very bad. Keep very bad. Wala sila ano.
Just regroup.
May PDPS na.
Everyone come in.
Ayun sa loob, please.
Come in.
Just go back inside. Go.
Just go back inside, guys. Just go back. Do you still have a sword? Come in.
Lapit sa akin.
You can brawl the
Ready,
room.
guys.
Keep us.
Keep Ismo.
No
Brim
leader
squad.
party.
Brim bomb.
Guys, come
Link
south.
north Ismo. Brim bomb. Full brim bomb. Na Jacob. Keep. Brim to.
Keep back. Come southwest. Everyone, kick now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest deep. Nah, I don't
No
think
healer,
that's-
no healer.
Spread. Get out.
You still have 2 healers.
Yeah, get out. Just get out. We're down now.
Tapos yung healers nyo, wala sa TS. No comms, GG.
Now you guys have experience fighting the pinnacle. GG.
Lelelelele. Ay, bar.
Yeah, just get out.
Patay na ako.
Patay ka?
Yes.
Ayun.
Guys, you need to duck if you're getting brawled. If I didn't call it to keep, no one is saying anything. You guys
Wala,
are all
hindi natin yun,
low
ano,
in Northwest
kaya matap up
because you
lahat.
didn't follow him fast enough.
Ang lalim
Southeast.
nila? Shit.
That's why you got brawled hard.
Ay, sumisigaw pa sa tenga natin. Heal!
Keep has been calling to go southeast, go inside the gate, but you guys keep on staying northwest gate. That's why you got brawled hard there.
Guys, spread.
You clumped up too much.
Spread out.
I don't see the healer po. Sorry.
Where's our healers? You guys died or what? Guys, the healers just...
Nababarol sila boy.
No, the healers just... naburol sila sa loob ng Lord Room? Bakit hindi kayo sa Southwest
We
Gate?
on the southwest, di ba?
Meron may tao loob sa Southwest. May namatay, madami namatay sa Southwest Gate. May tatlong brawler sa Southwest Gate. No?
Okay,
Yung
so
sinasabi
may
ni
tatlong brawlers
Shots na
sa
i-punish.
South.
Tapos wala
Yun yung
nag-i-punish
sinasabi
yung
ko,
tatlong
yun yung
brawler.
sinasabi ko i-punish na Northwest kasi may 3 brawler doon, 2 IB, isang Astral.
Hindi natin kaya patayin yan, hindi natin ma-out.
Wala nagka-QW.
Walang
That's
ulo,
why kaya kinol ko na keep na kailangan may punish kasi hindi nababawasan yung buhay. Yung isa doon 1 HP, di pa namatay.
Healer support, no mana. Hindi, huwag niyo intindihin yung mga relic pre. Don't worry, na-open yung chest. Okay, so issue ngayon mana. Okay, now
Why
you know
not
why.
on Limb Cape, bro? We don't have chariot.
No, we're on Limcade. Pero kulang
First
pa rin.
of all, ang dami niyong low. Second of all, bobo kayo mag-press ng defensive.
Third.
Third of all, bobo talaga kayo.
Hindi, my fourth. Ibang healer, walang
At least you guys have experience.
Kita ko ibang healer nasa Lord,
They're not necessarily
Lord's
that
room.
good, guys. It's easy to defend them. It's just that we're
I
getting
mean, we can. You guys
Huh?
position
Wala,
better.
GG.
Yeah.
Like, I was literally swinging sa red.
Position and react faster, guys.
Yeah. Like, I
Don't
found
sleep
out-
when keep possess they fail.
Yup.
Doesn't mean they don't have engaged. Don't sleep.
Yeah.
They just
Also,
delayed.
another
Their
thing, guys.
engaged just got delayed, bro.
Yeah. Another thing,
You
guys.
guys are sleeping too much.
Ang
I
hirap.
pulled out Southwest Gate. You guys went all run.
Hindi,
to
like,
Lord
ang
Room.
hirap i-top up lahat. You know, kasi ang lahat,
You guys
everyone
thought of
is
that?
low.
Ano you guys thought of that? You guys all run.
Diba,
to Lord Room.
Giga?
Can you
Speak
guys
up
tell
ka.
me what's the
Dun.
logic? I called run Southwest Gate. I told you guys, keep the Southeast Gate.
May isa pang bitang.
Is it hard to keep the
May
Southeast
isa
Gate?
pa, inakitang-kita ko yun, gago,
I already told you guys that I'm
nag-suicide
Southeast Gate.
paloob.
Why are you still trying
Kupal.
to walk to me? We need to kill their tanks. You guys are getting farm because, I don't know man, you're positioning. No, we're not even getting farm, bro. We had like 4 deaths. 4 deaths until people stood on top of the stairs for no reason.
People. Nung namatay ba ako sa first dun, nagpapakite ka na ba dun sa second gate?
Hindi, pre. Hinold lang namin yun, pre. Ang tagal namin hinold yun. They can't go in. Ang tagal namin hinold.
Nag-full push sila sa inyo doon, yun.
Nag-full
Na-GA ko
push
yung
sila
iba
sa
ka.
inyo.
Nag-full push sila, they full push potion.
Hindi ako nagpapakite. I'm literally waiting for them to...
How many were they, bro? It looks like they were so a lot.
Ang
They were
daming
level-
brawler din.
Kasi if ever man na nag-push ng ganun, feel ko
Hindi.
pwede nyo i-punish sila eh. If ever i-full send yung bomb ko. pre.
Daming ditang.
Ano yan?
Daming
Kaka-engage
masyadong
lang.
healer.
ng
Buti sana
wizard.
ako yung isang fallen
Tas
naka
nag-full push sila.
Nag-full CC
Ano?
talaga yung ditang sila sa
naka-hollow or something or isa pang nature.
Pwede nyo, ano yan, boy?
But
Kasi pwede
fallen,
nyo
dalawang
nakaano
fallen,
yun, wala kang engage eh.
against the brawlers,
Nag-walk-in siya doon, nag-walk-in na punish yun na count.
dami, di ba, Giga? Ang dami,
Ang dami talaga. Di ko matap up din lahat. Di ko malagyan ng ano, dahon.
Hindi na
Yan na niyo.
mag-click in kayo sa second gate. Bakit kayo nasa loob ng second gate? That's gonna be one of the reasons why you guys can't push through. Kasi nasa isang side lang kayo manggagaling eh. Alam niyo yun?
Like, I'm calling out guys, spread, hide. Where can you hide? You guys get sa Southwest Gate. You guys can hide on the northeast. You guys just need to hide. How hard is that, bro?
You can even go southeast. You can go to the first gate.
Yeah, you just need to hide,
Because
guys.
they're pushing hard. You can literally stay outside and wait for the call.
Can't do nothing there, bro.
I mean, we've done this shit. It works on almost every. This is the first time you guys fought Summers.
Basta
I think it's the
masasabi
first
ko
time
lang
you
dami
guys fight
brawler.
Summers. They have one party club that don't hit hard. You guys know what kill does? You guys get brawled. Why? Because we can't punish their brawlers inside of us. No
Yes.
one's using Qs and W.
Ayun,
Correct
finally.
ka.
Finally!
Correct. Very nice. Very nice clap.
Get your sets, get your sets.
Ay, gago na sa...
Get your sets, we go back for
Wala ako mount. Fuck.
Giga, ikaw na lang yung ano, yung
Get your
voice.
sets.
Ayoko.
Let be the voice.
Ayoko, no, bro.
I mean, I think
Batman.
you guys
Patas
take
ayaw
over
na
us.
trade.
That's skip po. Okay lang sana pag ano,
Next naman.
yung mga tropa pips ko
We're
nag
fighting
ano,
Summers. This is the
nagvo-voice
first
out.
time.
Pero sige po, nah bro.
Hindi,
Okay, come on,
hindi,
come
wala
on,
namang
come
problema
on,
sa
come on, help.
ano. Kasi alam naman ni Kipot na ano, brawler na.
Nasa yung
Dami brawler. Pero honestly, ang hirap i-top up nun.
Skill this. Fuck man.
Wala din.
Point dogs.
Aray.
Mount up. So guys, listen.
May extra mount.
Got nothing.
Guys, okay, guys. So, the game plan is every time they engage, they don't hit hard. Trust me, their main engage is shit.
Yeah,
Their main engage is
true.
shit. There's two threats in the fight. Brawlers and then ano yan? Brawlers and the GA Brim. The GA Brim didn't kill anyone. Did anyone die on GA Brim?
Walang damage, kipo.
See? So what's the threat, guys? It's the brawlers. And what do you guys need to do against brawlers? You need to kidnap them. You need to Qs and Ws them.
Wait lang nga dito.
Punish them. Also, my DPS, if you guys are lagging like shit, play D-Tank or something.
Sino looter natin?
Did we have looter?
Nandun natin si Shanks eh. Kaya Shanks, ay, ito pala.
Okay, come Nardos. Come Nardos. Just hold it. We're gonna bunk it in. So guys, like, you guys see the difference between Maha and them. Maha is so shit, but we still lost someone because he DC. Should have zero deaths on that. The
Keep,
thing
dami
is-
ka pang ano naiwan sa HO.
Okay, everyone guys, get out HO. Everyone get out HO. Come southeast. Get out HO na. Mahirap ba mag-alis ng sets? Yeah.
Sino ba naiwan?
I don't know. Okay pa ba yung HO? So, ano ba? Like, healers can TS or what?
Yeah, dalawa lang kami sa ano.
Healers not healing. How many healers did we have? 4 on party 1, 1 on bomb, party 2, 1 healer. So 6 healers in total.
Ano yun, mahirap yung i-top up kasi yung brawler. Like, ang dami
Binubugbog kami sa likod, boss.
Kaya kinall ko yung brawler kasi wala nagsasalit.
Yung IB talaga
Doon sa
yung
Northwest.
IB talaga yung
Sobrang ano
nakakabisit
na
dun.
sila. Sobrang
Ano din, sigaw, heal, nag-heal kami.
Nagka-crash out.
Ang Qs and Ws nyo para ma-push out nyo agad.
Oo, like pag na-low sila,
Yung Q nyo eh.
pag na-low sila, aalis sila. Like, naglalakad pa kami pa portal. We're walking to portal.
So, brawler sa loob, wala nag-QW.
So tinititigan nyo lang yung brawlers.
Oh, nakatayo lang sila.
Brawler ba tayo? I mean, do we have a brawler also?
Wala.
I mean,
Kaya
some of
pala
our
walang
DPS are on hill yun.
Brawler.
Hindi, regardless naman
Qs and
Pwede
Ws
yung
are enough.
DPS.
I mean, kung nandun na sila sa Northwest Gate, bakit hindi nyo ipalow siya?
Ayun, maganda lang siya, oh. Nagbo-brawl.
Si Omok.
Yan ba yung IB? Yan yung IB nakita ko at 1 HP. Na 1 HP yan, hindi pa namatay eh.
Oh, ayan.
Ayun.
nag-out.
Nagreklamo na ako,
May
Giga.
reklamo. Nice one.
At least you guys have experience.
Yung nasa love daan.
So we didn't lose, guys. Like we didn't lose to enemy club. We lost because they have better brawlers. They have better Qs and Ws. And the thing with Qs and Ws, the more you let them Qs and Ws,
Special mention
the
ko
more
pa yung
they
ano.
lose.
I'll be going portal.
Uy!
Ina.
It's fine.
Sino ba yun?
Hinihil
Check
ko
ko
na.
sa ubod ko.
Gago.
Marinig pa yung pagre-reklamo ko dyan.
Oo, rinig talaga. Except yung boses ko. Naka-off yung mic eh.
Saan tayo punta?
Ay gago, naka-on pala.
You guys just need to listen to my calls.
Ayun o.
When I tell you to engage on the gate, sama tayo dadaan.
Yung kita mo yun, yung
Ba't kayo
Spirit
nagsun
Hunter.
southwest, northwest dapat tayo?
Yung
Lumabas lang.
Yung nag-dive.
We go back portal. Oh my god, bro.
Ano yun?
Like, there's two things.
What the fuck, bro?
So, I told you guys to hit the
I
gate
was stressed, man.
while I'm faking southeast. I literally walk southeast. Yung sabi ni Pata, your Zerg is not with you. And half of their Zerg walked toward me and used defensives deep southeast. And you guys had a free engage on the D-tank. And no one hit that. Why?
Yang yun?
Diba, I called it out, right? Hit the gate. Hit the D-tanks on the gate. Then I went air comp southeast para wala silang defensives. But you guys didn't hit the D-tank. Some of you just chased the caller for no reason. The thing is, you guys need to catch the D-tanks off guard so you can kill them. Oh yeah, we play later. But then again, meta will change in 5 days. So in 5 days, guys, there's going to be a lot of range DPS. Magsasawa kayo sa range DPS. Longbow is going to be back.
Ayun.
It's heavy.
Change role na ako, DPS.
Next week.
Are they buffing any range DPS or they're just nerfing?
No, it's
Nerfing melee.
all melee. All melee is debuff.
Fuck.
So we won't be seeing brawlers anymore. So
Bro, just crafted
till
like 50 bracers.
But no bracers is shit. It's going to be shit.
Fuck
As
man,
in-
yeah, we crafted like 56.3
Sell that
man.
shit, bro.
Yeah. Either you sell that shit or we use
Ano
use
rin
them.
pala, sa main Zerg, guys, if you're wearing gloves, tapos gusto nyo kumidnap ng D-tank ng kalaban, pwede magpapunta sa bomb squad, okay lang kidnapin nyo, pero huwag nyo kumaisip sa akin papunta sa amin, guys. Kasi,
No, it's not going to be club kite. It's not going to be purely club kite. It's just pure clubs. Who hits harder? Who hits harder?
Who's
It's
more
going to
Gucci?
be- No, not really Gucci. It's who hits hard. It's who's the better on getting good club. Who's better at getting fakes. Who's better at It's all mind games in the end. Pero ngayon nga, the good thing about that is that we no longer need to play it like we're afraid of brawlers. Kasi, so meta will change soon. Good luck. It'll be fun. I think it favors club kite, but in large scale it'll still be like push in, hit the shit. The only melee DPS that will work next season is 35% Demon Fang. The highest resilience penetration is Demon
Toad
Fang.
is asking something.
So can I ask something, sir? What? You lag twice, bro.
Ayun lang.
What is it? You guys can keep asking. Also guys, when I last thing pala na kinaisip, the one I hated on that fight, like they broke the third gate, right? Then you guys went to Lord Room. Whoever the D-tanks, bro, the D-tanks, just Qs and Ws on the D-tanks on top of you. Make them go back. Everyone, just drop your Qs and Ws on the D-tank on top of you. Make them go back. Make them run back. Okay? The other thing is, what do you call this? I told you guys to go Southwest Gate, but you all went Lord Room. What's my logic when I ask you to go Southwest Gate? So my logic when I ask you guys to go Southwest Gate is that their brawlers can push you. If you all went Lord Room, do you guys know what will happen? Their brawlers will just literally just full push you and hit you. We're going to die. Straight up. You guys need to separate the Zerg.
Nandun ka din, nakita ko.
And I was waiting for Yearning. I was trying to hold on so my bomb can hit.
They had a big bump earlier.
Yeah, at the start. Then we also killed
Kiting.
a few times. Pero yun,
Sayang
pero
yung bomb nila Jill dun sa last
But they had
minute.
like same map regear, bro, right?
yeah, they had. Hindi sila nabawasan eh. They went from level 16 to level 18.
That's fuck up, man.
No, it's okay. We won't get the advantage of gears. We just need to beat them next time. It's fine. Don't worry about it. We can beat them.
Hindi, gagawin keep
Pero
na
we need
sila.
brawlers din, no?
Yeah. Flash mas din kasi. Feel ko ang solution talaga doon, kailangan din natin Infinity Blade na tumitira sa kanila.
Wala tayo brawlers eh. Wala tayong nag-drop na off-seed.
Wala nga tayo.
Siguro if meron, keep, I think
We suck at brawling, bro.
No, you don't need brawlers as in brawlers. You just need someone to hit off timer, make them low. Make them use
Careful ah, one shot ah. One shot no forest
One shot
Shaper.
be careful. One shot, be careful. Drop your
So may bridge siya, water bridge. Careful, water
Water bridge
bridge.
daw. Help daw. Wait, saan? Ping. Keeping them.
Pulse.
Deserve. Yeah, GG's boys, GG's. Post your riggers.
GG, Giga. Thanks for listening.
It's around
Screenshot mo muna yung TS.
Kayo nabibigay itong loot.
Ah,
Drop in island. No.
hindi, okay lang yan.
Ay, okay.
Sila na bahala, basta riligay kita, alam ko na dito ko.
Ayun. Wait lang, yung attendance, screenshot ko na lang.
Bakit ang dami nilang healer boy?
Bata, there's still no thread for...
Meron silang 9 healers man.
User disconnected from your channel.
90.
What? How many?
Nine.
Pati yung killboards. Pati yung killboards. Pinasad na killboards.
Yeah.
Pwede pa gawa.
Okay na na.
Come on.
Ito, spicy. Ang spicy.
It's not, hindi naman pala ganun kasama yung loss natin. It's not terrible. It's not a terrible.
Naman, pero okay tuloy yung map mo lang.
We could have done better. We could have done better.
Yeah, just drop on any hill island.
22-30. They had 43 people, we had...
What the fuck, man? That's a lot.
I mean, we almost won.
Weren't we like 25, 26?
No, we're 30. At least 30.
Fuck, why is party 2 only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
Party 2 was...
We have bomb, we have bomb.
Yep.
Ow.
Wait, so... Oh my god, bro. Pata kaya pala tayo natalo, tingnan mo yung comp nila.
Puta ka na boy.
Bro, kumpara mo sa comp natin. Look at their comp, bro. 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 17 gameplays. Yeah, okay. I get it. Kaya pala walang damage yung brim nila eh. Namatay agad isang brim.
GE comp.
Na-headshot namin yung sa first engage yung brimstone nila pre.
GG guys, I gotta go.
Yeah, thank you for fight guys. Thank you.